Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about why I love Google Jamboard. It is one of my favorite things to use in my middle school classroom. So to get to Google Jamboard, I'm on the Google main page here. If you go to their little apps section, it's where the 9 circle dots are. Um, there it is right there. Now if you didn't know, if you can click and drag these and move these around how you wish. So if there's certain ones you use more than the other, you can move them to the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Google Jamboard, and it'll take a second to pull up. Okay, and so you can see here is my 4 Jamboards, and the first thing I love about Google Jamboard is its simplicity. There's not a whole lot of options or things all around that kind of distract you. It's very simplistic, which I love. So like I said, I have 4 different Jamboards here. I'm a middle school teacher, so I have one for each grade. And this one was from a PD, a professional development I did recently. So you can see you can get a little bit more involved. So I'm just going to click on my 8th grade one here. I love how it looks like a sticky note, so I'm kind of old school like that. And so I use my Google Jamboards in a couple different ways. One is just if I see little tidbits of information that relates to what we're talking about in class, I like to throw them up here on Google Jamboard to share with my kids to start my class. My 8th grade class, we're talking about robotics, and so I just saw this about DoorDash buying a robotics company recently, so I threw this up there to kind of start a little discussion in my class. And the another thing, probably my second thing, or third thing, whatever option I'm on right now, is I like how it just stands out so much on the television, just the yellow sticky note look of it. So I'm going to show you how this looks actually on the TV in my classroom. So you can see how it really kind of stands out if you have a television in your classroom. So how do you make your Jamboard? So that part is super simple. Okay. So down here at the bottom right, you'll see the plus button. So you can just go ahead and click it. You can go and you have your title up there, so you can type in whatever you like. I'm just going to put example for now. Okay. So you have different options here. You got a pen, an eraser, the select, the sticky note, which is my personal favorite. You can add an image, shapes, just text, and the laser pointer, which I'll show you here in a minute. So I'm just going to click sticky note. I'm going to type in just a few words here. We'll just say example text. You'll see up here you can change the option of the sticky note. And so you got green, light blue, I love that color, pink, orange. We'll stick with the yellow. I'm going to click save. All right, and you can see how there it is right there. Now you click and drag it. If you grab one of the circles, you can resize it. You can turn it so it kind of stands out just a little bit more. So yeah, real simple. You double click back in there. You can go back in and edit the text. Hit cancel. You see the 3 dots there. You got edit, duplicate, delete. And then you do have this little laser pointer down here. So if you have a bunch of text here and you want to kind of highlight something to your students, you can kind of circle it with your laser pointer and kind of make it stand out. Or you can use it however you wish. So this is the basic framework for Google Jamboard. I'm going to go back to the main page. There's one last little option I just want to show you. So if you click the 3 dots here in your Jamboard after you've created it, you got the option to download it as a PDF, which is pretty cool too. If there's something in there you want to save for a later date down the road or use as evidence for whatever you may be doing as a student teacher, or you're going for national boards, or any of those options. So I just love Google Jamboard. It is awesome. One of my colleagues showed it to me last year, and I'm going to put the link to his video here, and I'll put it down in the description as well. Hopefully you can find some use out of it as well. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I will try to help you as much as I can with that. And I really appreciate you watching the video. And until next time, everyone, hope you're doing well. See ya.